You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, so much going on in the show. New merchandise, new shirts, new hats. We got new logos. We got new recipes coming. New restaurant roulette. Doing recipe roulette, which we haven't done yet. But we're going to do that. Where we just crack open a cookbook. It's such a hot idea that people are already copying me. So anyway, let's look at what we're going to have today. It's called a cinnamon roll hack. Let's run down the ingredients. I'm going to use 2 rolls of cinnamon rolls, 2 sticks of butter, some whipping cream. This is cinnamon, brown sugar, powdered sugar, and some blueberries. So let's get the thing started. Okay, first thing you're going to do, take the frosting out of each one of these, put it off to the side. Then take your cinnamon rolls, put them in here. Okay? Alright, so we filled the bottom. It looks something like this. Now, I do believe, I didn't see them, but I do believe Pillsbury makes some grand, like the biscuits. They make some grand cinnamon rolls also. I believe so. I may be wrong. But anyway, line the bottom with regular ones or giant ones, whatever. Then you can take, and by the way, this recipe kind of doesn't really have measurements. It's all over TikTok, so blame them. Nobody has measurements. I would say about half the carton goes in here. Just kind of line the bottom with some heavy whipping cream so that the cinnamon rolls will absorb it. All right? There you go. Make sure it's evenly distributed. It looks like that. Okay? Okay, now we're going to take some butter and brown sugar. Melt the butter and mix the cup of brown sugar with a stick of butter. Get this all mixed up. Go ahead and just apply it onto the top. People throwing strawberries in here, blueberries, nothing. I'm going to do blueberries today. Just going to put a cup's worth, maybe a little more than a cup. There we go. Just like that. Okay? Alright, now that that's good, we're going to throw this in the oven. 350 for 30 minutes. Once again, no measurements. Crazy. I'm just eyeballing it like I saw it. So you may have to look on the internet for, it's called cinnamon roll hack. Alright, we're going to do that. Butter, the cream they got there. A little heavy whipping cream. A little more. There we go. Take a little dash of vanilla. Oop. Or a big one. So we got butter, the cream frosting that came with it. Got heavy whipping cream. Got vanilla. We're going to take a little dash of this. Go ahead and hit it with some cinnamon. And last thing we need is the powdered sugar. That's it. Alright guys, so giving you my recommendation. Without the blueberries, it cooks up better. The blueberries make it kind of runny and loose. Doesn't allow it to cook. So right now we're putting our frosting all over. Not so much. Wow. Okay, obviously you love cinnamon rolls. I just put like a little dollop. Boop. Okay, we're going to dollop the top of these. Throw it in the refrigerator or let it cool on the counter?
The refrigerator.
We're going to do the refrigerator. But once again, when I make this again for another party, I'm not using the blueberries. I believe the blueberries played against us. So, we got our frosting on top. Guys, this came out really nice, a little loose, but it's solidifying really quick. So I would recommend cooling this first. Leave it on the counter, pop in the fridge, then serve it up. Alright, let's give it a try. Okay, before I give this whole dish away to Bible study, let's make sure it's good first. Wow. It's really good. They're gonna love it. Too much for me. So sweet and delicious. I remember cinnamon rolls from years ago. Send me pictures of what you make. If you got the recipe, post it down below. The measurements. Oh, wow. It's coming really good. I'll see you in the next episode.